2025 Nissan Z NISMO Manual, a purist's dream in a modern sports car. The 2025 Nissan Z NISMO is a modern tribute to Nissan's storied sports car lineage, blending cutting-edge performance with a nod to the past. At the heart of this thrilling machine is the option that purists have been eagerly anticipating, a manual transmission. In an era where automatic gearboxes dominate the landscape, the 2025 Z NISMO manual stands as a testament to the enduring appeal of hands-on driving. The return of the manual transmission. In a world where dual-clutch and automatic transmissions offer blisteringly fast shift times and ease of use, the manual gearbox in the 2025 Nissan Z NISMO is a deliberate choice for driving enthusiasts. Nissan has kept the faith in the tactile connection that only a manual transmission can provide. This 6-speed manual gearbox is designed to offer drivers complete control over the car's performance, allowing them to extract every ounce of power from the Z's potent engine. The shifter is precise, with short throws that make each gear change a rewarding experience. Nissan has also fine-tuned the clutch pedal, ensuring it strikes the perfect balance between weight and responsiveness. Whether you're downshifting into a corner or accelerating out of one, the manual transmission in the Z NISMO makes you feel truly connected to the car. Performance and precision. The 2025 Nissan Z NISMO manual is not just about nostalgic appeal, it's a performance machine through and through. Under the hood, the Z NISMO is powered by a twin-turbocharged V6 engine that produces exhilarating power and torque. The manual transmission allows drivers to fully engage with this power, giving them the ability to choose the perfect gear for every driving situation. The manual gearbox also enhances the Z NISMO's dynamic capabilities. By offering a more engaging driving experience, the manual transmission encourages drivers to push the car to its limits. Heel-and-toe downshifting becomes a joy, as the car's perfectly balanced chassis responds with precision to every input. The result is a driving experience that is both exhilarating and deeply satisfying. A driver-centric interior. Nissan has designed the interior of the 2025 Z NISMO with the manual driver in mind. The cockpit is focused on the essentials, with controls that are intuitive and within easy reach. The gear lever is positioned perfectly for quick shifts, and the pedals are spaced to allow for precise footwork. The driver's seat is supportive, ensuring that you remain comfortable even during spirited drives.